You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. With a socket wrench, a long extender and a 13mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, loosen the nut holding the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, loosen the nuts holding the positive terminal cables. With a flathead screwdriver, spread the retaining tab, then unclip the entire cover and lift it. Remove the positive terminal. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the positive terminal back on. Reposition the cover. Then retighten the nuts on the positive terminal. Put the negative terminal back in place, all while holding it full in place, and screw it in place with a socket wrench. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.